Do you ever open your old laptop and realise just how much dust it's collected over the years? These things last us ages, but over time the keyboard begins to look grey and even the screen starts getting spots. But here's how we can make it look brand new again. And this is our ticket to do so, the Betron Screen Cleaning Kit. It comes with the cleaning solution, a brush for the keyboard, and a microfiber cloth. First, we have to brush off the keyboard to remove any excess dust trapped between the keys. On a side note, if you do enjoy short tech guides like this, a sub would be massively appreciated. Whilst it doesn't look any less grey, you can just see how much dust was hidden away. And now for some real action. 2 squirts of the solution on the cloth and rub away. You can see how quickly it goes from grey to shiny black. Moving on to the screen, another 2 squirts and off you go. This transition is even more dramatic as the screen begins to get its shine back too. Before you know it, you've got yourself a brand new shiny laptop. Take care and have fun, my dudes. That's all we have for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out some previous guides and subscribe to stay tuned for more.